So we're going to do this on stretched hair. You could still do it on damp hair or wet. Otherwise, if you want your twist to look longer, elongated twists, you may have to stretch your hair. This hair is shampooed, conditioned, and stretched, and now we just want to put everything on top, up, and start twisting from the back. Style. I want to smooth it all through the hair from the roots to the tips until it's all properly circulated, and then start twisting. So with twisting, I'm going to start with a 3-strand twist down to have a bit of grip. Not much tension really, but just to make sure it's secure enough, and a few stitches, and then start twisting. Pick one leg of the strand, divide it into 2 and join them to the rest of the strands, the 2 strands, and then start twisting. The twist looks so moisturized. She has for a type of hair, and yeah, that's it. We hope this video was helpful, and commendations for any further questions or additions, please make use of the comment section right below there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, you're welcome to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.